Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So with Valentine's Day right around the corner, I wanted to come on and do a Valentine's Day look for you guys. I'm gonna try to do 3 of them and get them out by Wednesday. Fingers crossed I can get it done, but I've been pretty consistent lately, if I do say so myself, and I think we can get that done. I'm gonna do today, I think, a red look. So there's 2 palettes that I am going back and forth on which one of them I want to use. So the first palette is actually this one by Juvia's Place. It's the Berries palette. So this is definitely a palette that I want to try to use in this video, and another palette which I have done before on my channel, but I was thinking about maybe recreating it, or you know, maybe doing a different kind of style, like a cut crease with it. It's this palette right here by Huda Beauty. It's the Huda Ruby Obsessions. So I already have this on my channel, and I definitely think I want to recreate a look with this, but I think I'm probably gonna wait until I do something maybe a little bit different, you know. But I definitely want to stay in the reds and the pinks and the berries family when it comes to whatever look I'm gonna do. I want to do a little bit something different just for my first Valentine's Day look. I think I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place palette instead, and we're gonna figure it out. The colors are pretty, all kind of like basic in a sense, where it was pretty easy for me to come up with a look that I want to recreate. So for the look today, I think I'm going to do probably like a cut crease look. All right guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. My channel is definitely growing, and we on the road to 1K. Don't forget it. Don't ever forget it. We are still on our mission to get to 1K. So let's make it happen. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. You get the reminder all the time. You see the box? You see the box. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Please, it really helps my channel. You know, grow with me. Come with me. Come on this journey with me. You're loving it. You're gonna love it. You know, who better than me? So let's get into this look.
Things are about to get ugly.
OmniaBeats.com. OmniaBeats.com. OmniaBeats.com.